Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. Now, let's take a look at what would be happening for the next day, which is for the 26th on gold. We would want to know what will happen on gold. But before I go ahead and start, now to those of you that are having trouble accessing the Patreon channel, you can now access it. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So there we put out high probability trade. Remember, it is trade that has high probability chances that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning such trade. That is exactly what we will be sharing on that Patreon channel. Trade that we have chances of winning 70 to 90%. That is what we'll be sharing on that channel. So these are a couple of trades we actually took today, which is on Monday. We took a trade on GBP USD. So I'll put a link to this playlist, right? So the link to this playlist will be in the comment section, or you check the channel itself, you will see it. I'm going to pin this video on GBP USD so you can watch it to confirm. We took a trade today on GBP USD, which actually hit our profits. We also took a trade today on EuroCard, which will actually hit our profit. So those of you that are having trouble growing up your account, you can now sign up to our Patreon channel so you get access to our high probability trade. Now back to this analysis. When you take a look at this right now, you will see that gold is literally dropping. So I mean, you can see that this is a downtrend move, especially if you have to zoom it out. If you have been following this my channel consistently, right? I've literally predicted that in the long run, gold will drop. You guys know, especially if you go to the daily time frame. If you zoom it out, you can clearly see that why I said what I said here. And like I said it before, this is the resistance level. This, support level here. You can take a look at the support level here. You can see this is the resistance, right? You can take a look at this at the support level. We take a look at this as the resistance level. So in the long run, we'll be expecting that drop to the support level. So basically, long run, gold should drop, right? You guys should understand. Now let's go down to the daily time frame and 4 hour time frame. What is price doing? Price is literally dropping. So if you have to see it like this, price dropping from this trend, you can see it came to this trend, it dropped. Now it came to this place, which broke out of this trend a bit. No problem, it has dropped. Now we've seen a correction, it has dropped. With what I am seeing, I'm seeing gold to come up like this and give us another drop. That is what I am seeing. Because one thing is that USD is still strong. Could USD start dropping at any time soon? Yes, probably. There's no doubt we can see it. Like we always follow one rules: trade what you see and not what you think. So with what I'm seeing right here, I'm seeing something like this: resistance, support, resistance. The price broke out of this support level, then it came to this level, resistance here, dropped to this support, price came against this resistance, right? And now we are in this our support level. So is price very much likely to come to this resistance level? Absolutely yes. There's high probability, there's high percentage that price will actually come to this resistance level. So watch out for it. If it comes to this resistance level, then you cannot look to sell, because when you look at this, price is literally ranging within this level. But right now, with what I'm seeing right now, first, I would expect gold to actually come to this same level. This is exactly where I'm expecting gold to do. Come to the same level. That is what I am expecting. First of all, gold needs to come to this level first. We gold actually break above this level and come to this resistance level. When I see the price action, I'm going to give an update in the group chat, in the Patreon channel. So if you are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, the link will be in the comment section. Like I said, I will need a confirmation if price gets to this level. I would need a confirmation if it will continue the downward movement here, or it will actually come to this resistance level. I will need a confirmation. Then I'm going to give an update on the Patreon channel, because something like this can happen. We can see this trend line here, second trend line here. There's every possibility that price will come to this trend line again and it will drop again. That is why I'm saying I will watch out for a confirmation. Once I get the confirmation, I'm going to give an update in the Patreon channel. So if you are interested and you trade gold, you can now join and get the 40% discount. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section.